There are 26 letters in English alphabet and there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels divide long sound and short sound. Long vowels sound takes the sounds of the name of the letter, so the same pronounce A, E, I, O, U. Short sound A, E, O, O. For example, look at the word A. Acorn, acorn. A, K, O, L, N. Acorn. Apron, apron. Short sound A. Apple, apple. Cat, cat. C, K, A, T, T. Cat, cat. The second vowel E. Eagle, eagle. Eel, eel. Egg, egg. Hen, hen. N, hen, hen. Eye, ice, ice. Kite, K, I, T, kite, kite. E, short sound E. Ink, ink. Pig, pig. Long sound old, old. O, L, D, old. Gold, gold. Short sound orange, orange. Top, top. Orange, top. Long sound U. Unicorn, unicorn. Uniform, uniform. And short sound uncle, sun, sun. Acorn, apron. Apple, cat. Eagle, eel. egg, hen. Ice, kite. Ink, pig. Old, gold. Orange, top. Unicorn, uniform. Uncle, son. Long vowel sound: A, E, I, O, U. Short sound vowels: E, E, A,